Hello! You must be Emma.
Yes, I am.
It is a beautiful morning. It is a beautiful morning. Today is Emma's first day at school.
Today is my first day. I'm a little nervous.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Mom.
Breakfast is ready.
I'm coming. I look ready for school.
You look wonderful.
Books, lunch, everything is ready. Everything is ready.
Eat well. Today will be a great day.
Thank you, Mom.
Let's go.
I'm ready. There are so many students.
You'll make new friends.
Wow, my new school is beautiful.
Yes, it is.
Hello! You must be Emma.
Yes, I am.
Come with me.
Okay.
Class, this is Emma.
Hello, Emma.
Hello, everyone.
Open your English books.
Yes, Mr. Brown. Hello, my name is Emma. Nice to meet you. Can I help you? Yes, thank you. Lunchtime! Can I sit here? Of course. Lunchtime! Look at what I got today.
Hi, I'm Jack.
Nice to meet you. Let's play soccer. Great idea. Yay! Look at all these books. The library is my favorite place. Your picture is beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Goodbye, Lucy. See you tomorrow.
Bye, Emma.
Have a wonderful evening. School is over. See you tomorrow.
Hello.
How was your first day?
It was amazing. I made 2 new friends.
I'm so happy for you.
It was amazing. Look at my drawing.
You did a wonderful job. Emma smiled as she remembered her wonderful first day at school. Tomorrow would be another exciting adventure.